Today I am going to show you division concept. Well, I have some crayons. I will teach division using cups and crayons. Let us take one example. 20 divided by 2. I'm using these crayons and these cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now I'm going to take 2 cups, 1 and 2. I'm going to put these crayons in the cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let us count how many crayons are in each cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count how many are in the second cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now there are 10 crayons in each cup, so 20 divided by 2 is 10. This is so easy, isn't it? Let me show you another example. 15 divided by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and the last one, 15. Now I need 3 cups. Now let's put these 15 crayons in these 3 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now let's count how many are in each cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the second cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the third cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 in each cup. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Wow, this is so fun. I'm going to show you another example. 30 divided by 6. Here are 30 crayons and 6 cups. I'm going to put these crayons in these cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now let us see how many there are in each cup. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the second cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the third cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the fourth cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the fifth cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the sixth cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 crayons in each cup, so 30 divided by 6 equals 5. Now I'll show you the last example. 24 divided by 8. I have 24 crayons and 8 cups. Now I'm going to put the crayons in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now I'm going to see how many there are in each cup. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So 24 divided by 8 equals to 3. Now you know how to do division. If you like my video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.